A video about our negative beta service. Negative beta are stocks that move in the opposite direction of a U.S. equity index. In our case, the S&P 500. A stock with a negative beta tends to fall when the index rises and tends to rise when the index falls. It's rare to see a negative beta stock. Of the 3,440 stocks that traded in July 11 and past data validation, we only found 5 negative beta stocks. You see, all stocks move with the market, hence the expression, a rising tide lifts all boats. So here's the data that we provide. We do a full write-up, and then we provide you the stocks. So stocks with a positive net income, there's only one right now with a negative beta. It's CPK, or Chesapeake Utilities Corp. It has a negative beta of 0.63 or 63%. That is a very negative beta. There are 2 stocks with negative net income that lose money. One is Berkshire Hathaway, and that is 10% negative beta. So it is moving countercyclically to the market. And the other is Veru, V-E-R-U. Finally, there are some exchange-traded funds or synthetic investments with negative beta for investors that want to really focus on this. So SQQQ is the ProShares Ultra Pro Short QQQ. The TZA is a Direction Daily Small Cap Bear with 3 times, effectively 3 times leverage shares. You have a US dollar index because the US dollar tends to move countercyclically to stocks. And then you have 2 VIX, or volatility index, implied volatility index ETFs. And they're short-term ETFs. One is a 2 times and one is just a 1 time. And so those are other ways to buy negative beta. And then we talk a lot about beta, right? Some call beta the systematic risk of a stock. So a stock with a beta of 1 means the covariance of the stock versus the index equals the variance of the index. Or, put simply, their variability matches. So you would expect if the stock market index rose by 2%, then the stock would rise by 2% on average. A stock with a beta of 0 moves independently or without any relationship, almost randomly, to the underlying index. And so, thank you very much. I'll show you how our report produces it. Here are the stocks with beta values outside the data validation range. And you can see APPS has a beta range that's too high. Anything over 3.0 we exclude from our run. And you see Chesapeake. And on the money-losing stocks, negative net income, here are the stocks with beta values outside data validation range. Here's Berkshire Hathaway, negative 0.10, and here's Veru. There were no money-losing stocks that had a beta that was above 3.0 at the moment. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you found value in this. Take care.